Why is that some hairstylists feel confident, charge more, and get referrals, and some feel stuck and unsure and scared, even pause or raise price? Let me tell you the truth. It is not because you are not talent. I see this a lot and all the time. And hairstylists tell me, I'm not confident. I'm scared to charge more. I don't feel good enough. And they think something wrong with them. But I want to tell you, it's nothing wrong with you. Okay. So, in my belief that you are lack confidence, you are lacking clarity, knowledge, and experience. Some of you might be want to be more confident, but you don't even know what to focus on or where to start. And that's why you feel kind of like overwhelming. Okay, let me share with you. When I first came to Australia, I literally do everything. And even though I am the one that in Vietnam, I had a hair salon. I was working with celebrity. I was TV program, and I was like do a lot of event and those things. But even though I have that confidence background, like confidence to do all of those, but even when I came to Australia, I really feel stuck, honestly. And I try everything. I try to learn everything. I try to do a lot of work, try different technique, try different services and different things. So hopefully I can feel worthy. I feel that people trust me and I feel more confidence about it. But honestly, I felt overwhelmed and I didn't know where to start. So until I asked myself one question, what do I actually love to do? Okay. And I found that I love blonde. Okay. So when I found that I love blonde, so I make the decision. I stopped trying everything. I focus on one thing, blonde. And I start to researching everything about blonde, learning every day and understanding the technique deeper and toner and foil replacement and all of that. I tried so many different things. Okay. And I told myself if I spend enough time to learn and practicing, I would become more confident about it. And what I did every night, I learned for 2 to 3 hours. So, I start like I go to work, I back home, have dinner with my husband and kids, and then get in bed. My kid and my husband get in bed. I sit in bed and try to searching on my phone from 9 to 12. So that's I research and I learn every night. Also, every night for 3 hours, 2, 3 hours, okay? And the next days I practice 5 to 10 minutes before anything else. So what I did was I put the head block, the mannequin next to the kitchen, and I wake up, I just practice foil placement, weaving, and do all of that. And application, I try to make my speed is faster and things like that. I keep practicing because I knew that if I actually learn the information and I'm not practicing, I don't have the experience of that. So that's why my priority is I just have to practice hair first, and then I go to have breakfast and do my thing after. So get up, go straight to the kitchen, drink water, then practice. That's how I did for myself. And After that, I learn some, like I research at night, I do practice. But also if I learn some new formula or new thing, what I did, I find the opportunity at the hair salon where I work. I practice with that. I try to use different formula and things like that. And it's incredible. About few months after that, client become happier and they start to refer more people. And that's when my confidence start growing. And I know that I put more time, effort, like learn the information and practice with that. So I want to say with you that the confidence came after I focused, learned, and practiced, not before. If you are everywhere, you will feel lost. If you focus on one thing, you will grow fast. And with this, I choose one thing. You want, like, I choose one thing you want to know for, and then learn something about it every single day and practice it every day, even 5 to 10 minutes. Because the truth is, small daily action create real confidence. So if you keep saying, I don't have time, I don't know where to start, or you will stay exactly where you are right now. So if you want to be different, you need to focus and commit. Okay. Now, so if you want to build more confidence, practice daily and get clear direction. So you can join my community. You will get free guide and you can practice with me every day. Okay. And if you are serious about become more confident and successful and step into your next level, join my live virtual event where I can share with you how to boost your confidence, how to increase revenue, how to set price, all of that for you to be successful in your business. So, clarity remove overwhelm. Focus create confidence. You don't need more time, you just need direction. So confidence is comes after repetition. So stop trying everything and start mastering one thing. So let me recap. This is for you. It's very simple. Step number one, if you really want to build your confidence, I have 4 steps for you here. So number one, know what you love. You need to be clear what you actually enjoy doing. If you try everything, you will feel lost. Step number two, focus and research. Once you choose it, you focus on it, learn everything about it, go deep. Okay, like at least give you 7 days, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week until you feel that you got the knowledge and the thing you practice every day. Number three, practice every day. Spend time every day, even 5, 10 minutes. Learn and practice, then apply it. Number four, keep going until you see the result. You don't stop until clients are happy, client refer people to you. You got 5-star review or people recommend you on everywhere. So that's when you know you getting better. So if you learn every day, you practice every day, I guarantee with you, your confidence will increase. So again, if you want to learn more, 2 ways I can help you, join community or join my virtual event. Just comment below or just click to the link below and you can join it. So bye for now.